Have you ever been on the field and felt like everything clicks? Your dribble is unbreakable, your passes find teammates like magnets, and the world around you seems to slow down. That smooth moment is called flow state. In this video, we're gonna explore what flow state really is, why endless drills alone won't enable your flow state, and what steps you can actually take to tap into your flow state consistently. Let's dive in. Now, what is flow state? It's a mental zone where you're fully immersed in the moment. Your awareness narrows to the task at hand, distractions fall away, and your performance feels effortless. In short, flow state is used to describe moments of peak creativity and focus. When you enter flow state in football, you have complete concentration on the ball and your surroundings. Usually, you're not self-conscious, you're moving with your instincts, and your perception of time seems to slow down. The good news is, experiencing flow isn't only for pro players, it's a skill that you can actually develop. In modern football, many players actually believe that if you master endless repetitive drills, you're gonna unlock flow. While drills might build technical ability, they often lack the unpredictability and freedom necessary to spark true engagement. This means that what you do in drills is not necessarily what you're gonna experience in games. The players won't stand around like the cones do and wait for you to make your left or right touches and then take a shot. They're gonna come from all directions, and their movements are always gonna be unpredictable every single time. This is where your drills are gonna fall short, but your creativity won't. Drills are preset predictable patterns, and predictable patterns limit real game decision making, but flow state feeds on challenge and adaptability. These are elements you're not gonna find in drill work. Now, how do you enter flow state? To enter this zone, you only need two things. One, mental prep. You don't necessarily have to know the skills you're gonna use, but always be ready about what you're gonna do and when you should do it. And number two, quick reaction, meaning your speed of play when executing your skill or movement. When you combine these two and balance them well, you will enter flow state every time, and your play actually becomes instinctive. Flow state is not something that comes to you, it's a zone you yourself have to enter. Start developing your mental adaptability as soon as you can. You see, as opposed to drills which are actually linear, games are chaotic. Try going to a scrimmage or small-sided games and practice sharp, dynamic decision making. Try to make decisions under any and all types of pressure. Increase the difficulty gradually from 1v1s, 1v2s, and even 1v3s. But remember, it's not about beating 2 or 3 or 4 players and passing or shooting the ball, but how you beat 2, 3, or 4 players and pass or shoot the ball. Also, give yourself time to experiment with new moves, try new angles and solutions, all while keeping your focus locked until your execution is complete. This will sow the seeds for flow. Now that you know what flow is, don't make it a one-off show, rather let it become a habit. Work on your flow game in and game out, and remember, as I said in my previous videos on how to become a better baller, always get creative with your flow. Flow state is a zone of creativity, variation, and reaction. Your movements are actually transformed from preset to instinctively unpredictable. By blending goals and creative training and mindfulness, you will unlock peak performance more often than you thought possible. Thank you guys for watching this video. If you actually found these insights helpful, hit that like button, drop a comment about your flow experiences, subscribe for more baller tips, and don't forget to share this video with a teammate that you actually want to see become a baller. See you on the next video, and peace out.